Hello, this is Geometry, topic 6-3, dilations with slope. So we're going to be doing dilations, which is you change the size of a shape, of a figure, but not the shape. But we're going to be using slope, so first let's review what slope is. So we're going to find the slope of A. We've got 2 points, and slope is just a matter of rise over run. So for line A, we rise 1, 2, 3, run 2. So our slope is 3 over 2. We look at B, we've got 2 points. We rise 1, we run 1, 2, 3. But we ran backwards or we fell down. Either way, our slope is going down, so I know that this must be negative. For line C, we rise 2, but we don't run. So this would be 2 over 0, which means that it is undefined. Okay? We cannot divide by 0. If we look at D, we don't rise, and we run 1, 2, 3. Well, that equals a slope of 0. So, that's how we find slope. We just do rise over run. If it's vertical, then it's undefined. If it is horizontal, then it is 0. So, simple enough. You should be very familiar with this. Now, if you don't have a graph, we do have this formula that we can use to find slope. So now we're going to use this formula to find the slopes for examples 2 and 3. So y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So y2, that would be 2 minus negative 6 all over 1 minus negative 2. Well, that would be 8 over 3. And that's the slope. Very simple. You just use the formula, plug it in, we're good to go. Given these 2 points, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 would be negative 2 minus 4 over 2 minus negative 2. Well, negative 2 minus 4 is a negative 6, and 2 minus negative 2 is a positive 4, which this simplifies to negative 3 over 2. And that's our slope. So, real simple, use the formula, plug in your numbers, you have it solved. No problems. Well, we're going to use that slope to produce dilations. Now, there are a couple of things you need to know. You need to know what your scale factor is, and you need to know what your center of dilation is. So, our center of dilation is the origin. So that's the important point. And we're doing a scale factor of 2. So to do this, you need to find your slope from your center of dilation to your point and double it. So for A, it would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. We rose 3. We run 2. We're going to do that twice. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That is our new A. Now we're going to do it with B. So for B, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. And then we go 1, 2, 3 right. We're going to do that twice. So starting at B, I'm going to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. 1, 2, 3 right. That's our new B. Now if we look at C, we are 1, 2 up. 1, 2, 3, 4 right. We're going to do that twice. So do it again. 1, 2 up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 right. So that's our new C. A to B to C. And if you'll notice, the same shape is just twice as big. So let's figure out what our new A. Our new A is at negative 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our new B is at 1, 2, 3. Sorry, it's at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that would be 10. And our new C would be at 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what you may notice is that if we look at our original coordinates, we're using the origin. All we did was double the coordinates. This was at negative 2, positive 3, becomes negative 4, positive 6. Okay? 3, 5 becomes 6, 10, and 4, 2 becomes 8, 4. Okay? So all we did was we doubled our coordinates. But I'm not doing that because I want to use slope. So let's take a look at number 5, where we're using x as my center and a scale factor of 1/2. So that means we're starting at x and we're moving our points. So our slope for this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 down. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left. So now we're going to do half of that. So we're going to go 6 down and 3 left. And we get our new y prime. Do the same with z. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 down, not 7. 8 down. And 1, 2, 3, 4 right. So that means we're going to do half, so we're going to do 4 and 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. That is our new z. Well, let's figure out what these are. This is at negative 1, positive 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, positive 1, 2, 3, 4. And so we notice we have a triangle that is similar to the other triangles, the same shape. It has just been cut in half. All right. Well, now we're going to use slope to produce scale factor of 3 with the origin as the dilation. So to get to L, it's 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 right, which when we scale factor that up becomes 9 and 9. We look at M, it is 1 up, 4 right. So we're going to do that times 3, gives us 3 and 12. And n was 1, 2 up, and 1 right. So multiply that by 3, we get 6 and 3. And so there we have our triangle. And now we need to figure out our points. Well, our points are, because we use the origin, we're just going to flip these. So this is still 9 and 9. This is going to be 12 and 3. And 3 and 6. And you can come back over here and you can double check to make sure. But we used our slopes to do our dilations. So, not that hard of a process. It's mostly just making sure that you understand slope and that you are counting it correctly. Good luck on your assignment. Have a good day.